More than 20 years ago, the Toyota Prius changed the automotive landscape when it introduced the world to modern hybrid technology. In the years since it first hit the stage, Prius has grown through 4 generations, as well as the release of multiple related models. Most recently, the addition of the Prius Prime line rounds out the Prius family by offering a plug-in hybrid variant that allows for all-electric driving for up to 25 miles. Stay tuned to learn more about Prius Prime later in the video, but for now, let's find out more about Prius. The latest Prius generation offers 6 distinct takes on the hybrid experience. First, L-Eco boasts the best fuel efficiency of the entire Prius lineup, while also having the lowest starting price. From there, the LE, XLE, and Limited grades each take the feature list up a notch, further refining the Prius experience with their added style, comfort, and convenience offerings. And as the names imply, the LE All-Wheel Drive E and the XLE All-Wheel Drive E grades come standard with Toyota's All-Wheel Drive E system for added traction on demand. So whether you're searching for an efficient ride with remarkable performance, or craving a high-tech vehicle that's also extremely reliable, the Prius lineup has all those bases covered. Prius offers a sleek exterior design, and it's not just for looks. The vehicle's shape actually helps to enhance efficiency by cutting through the air with less resistance. And when it comes to lighting the way, all Prius models offer full LED lighting in both front and rear, providing better visibility while also saving energy. Additionally, Prius's 2 all-wheel drive E grades also feature fog lights to assist during poor weather conditions, while the available adaptive front lighting system is even capable of swiveling the headlights to better illuminate the road around corners. Finally, the available 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels can be topped with black or titanium-finished inserts for some extra attitude, the perfect way to round out Prius's eye-grabbing exterior. Like outside, Prius's interior is easily recognizable for its striking design, but it goes way beyond looks. The spacious cabin offers plenty of room for passengers, while the available Softex-trimmed heated front seats help deliver an even more comfortable ride on cold days. Likewise, Prius's liftback layout opens up an impressive amount of cargo space that's perfect for carpools and impromptu road trips. The vast cargo capacity is achieved thanks to the 60/40 split fold-down seat design, which provides ample room for your tent or snowboard. But if that's still not enough, the available cargo crossbars on Prius offer even more space and possibilities for your next adventure. Prius is recognized around the world for its fuel-efficient design, but it also raises the bar with technological innovations that enhance the driving experience and also conserve resources. Even the air conditioning system is designed for maximum efficiency, with a smart flow mode that only sends airflow to occupied seats. Additionally, all grades feature a touchscreen audio multimedia system with Apple CarPlay compatibility, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. Plus, Amazon Alexa compatibility keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. And at the top of the lineup, Prius Limited features a vibrant and large 11.6-inch touchscreen display, as well as a color head-up display that projects vehicle information right in your line of sight. Select Prius grades also add conveniences like Qi-compatible wireless charging, 2 rear USB charge ports, and a smart key system for easy vehicle entry. Similarly, select grades feature an intelligent clearance sonar system that alerts drivers to surrounding objects and can automatically brake to avoid a collision at low speeds, as well as intelligent parking assist so drivers can let Prius take the wheel when squeezing into a tight spot. Safety is essential for Toyota, so it's no surprise that the entire Prius family has been designed with passenger and pedestrian well-being at the forefront. To this end, all Prius models feature Toyota Safety Sense P, an advanced suite of safety systems that includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, a lane departure alert system, automatic high beams, and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control for those long highway commutes. The entire Prius family also includes Star Safety System, and 8 airbags, an integrated backup camera to help see what's happening out back, and an available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert system to help keep an eye on hard-to-see areas. Prius is renowned for its fuel economy estimates, but the hybrid electric powertrain also excites drivers with an unexpected level of performance, thanks in part to the immediate torque delivery of the electric motor, but also the underlying TNGA platform and its independent rear suspension, perfect for when the roads get twisty. That said, efficiency is still the name of the game with Prius, and that applies to the all-wheel drive E models as well. In fact, Prius is the most fuel-efficient vehicle equipped with all-wheel drive, boasting an EPA-estimated 50 miles per gallon combined, while still offering the capability to trek through challenging conditions. This all-wheel drive relies on an on-demand system with an electric motor that only powers the rear wheels when needed, and it can operate at speeds up to 43 miles per hour. Let's circle back to Prius Prime. This line of plug-in hybrids helps drivers discover the freedom to go farther. With a 25-mile all-electric range, Prime reimagines what's possible for a hybrid electric vehicle. That's because when its electric range runs out, Prius Prime simply continues on as an ultra-efficient hybrid. So charge it anytime or don't. Prius Prime follows a similar naming convention as Prius, with an LE, XLE, and limited grade. However, Prime also sports a unique exterior, including different headlights and a dual-wave rear glass designed to make the vehicle even more aerodynamic. And inside, carpoolers will be glad to know that Prime features updated bench-style rear seating that can fit up to 3 passengers in comfort. And just like Prius, Prius Prime comes standard with a touchscreen audio multimedia system that features Apple CarPlay compatibility to connect an iPhone with ease. Plus, Prius Prime has Amazon Alexa compatibility as a standard feature on all grades. With all these high-tech features, it's no surprise that Prius Prime is such an efficient and capable plug-in hybrid. In the Prius family, there's a fuel-efficient vehicle for everyone under the sun. This iconic hybrid continues to revolutionize its segment, adding high-tech safety and convenience upgrades every year. And whether you prefer Prius LE all-wheel drive E's off-road utility or Prius Prime's electric capabilities, there's no shortage of reasons why the Prius family is home to the world's most iconic hybrids. Both Prius and Prius Prime are offered at an approachable starting price, with a strong track record for long-term cost estimates and overall resale value. Factor in the 2-year, 25,000-mile Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with enhanced 3-year roadside assistance, as well as exceptional hybrid warranty coverage. And Prius shines like no other hybrid on the market.